Spain, come on. Everybody's waiting for you. I used the word escuela back in the day, but I changed it for something different at the end of the last century. So the word escuela is not commonly used anymore. But I guess that's okay, no problem. Languages evolve. How do you say it nowadays? Escolas? Escoñita? Escoñita would be a very funny and Spanish-sounding name. But unfortunately, I chose something very weird. I call it colegio. Oh my god! Oh, it sounds great. I love it. Continue, please. It's very pleasing for my ears. Yeah! Oh, please, don't stop. I want more. Oh my god, Germany liked my weird sound.